Hello friends, my name is Ananya Beriwal and I scored 687 marks in NEET 2021 examination, and by God's grace I secured 552 All India rank. Friends, I am going to tell you about my 2-year journey in which my parents played a huge role, and Dr. Sachin Kapoor's videos are quite helpful in my journey as I used to clear my doubts which I had in biology, especially zoology, in which physiology is a basic unit that I got confused in some topics like inner ear and labyrinth. So I used to refer Sachin Kapoor sir's videos, and that helped me to understand these topics thoroughly. And if I talk about my preparation strategy, um, I focused on NCRTs of all subjects, all three subjects, and I practiced each and every question of NCRT and each and every example of NCRT. Then I went through previous year question and traced that what uh, is being asked from NCRT in last 10 to 15 years, from which I get a pattern that these topics are important and these are not. So, moving on to physics, I solved each and every question of physics, including additional exercises, because in my exam I saw that the questions from additional exercise are being asked directly. So, I should say that additional exercises are quite important, and you should also make notes of additional exercise. During my preparation I made case studies regarding all the examples and questions in the additional exercise, because if we understand something by case making, then we are going to dissect that topic properly. And if I come to biology, in biology we have to read NCRT biology thoroughly. Even before exam in last month, I read it 2 to 3 times, and previous year questions are must for all three subjects. And in biology, I refer to MTG NCRT at your fingertips, because it provides good practice for each and every topic of NCRT. And for especially the human reproductive system, you can refer Dinesh. About chemistry, I'm going to tell you about inorganic, physical, and organic. For inorganic, NCRT is actually Bible, because inorganic से क्वेश्चन NCRT से बाहर नहीं आता, और ऑर्गेनिक के लिए मैंने अपने नोट्स रेफ़र करे, नोट्स के साथ साथ जो भी मैकेनिज़्म समझाते हैं रिएक्शन का वो मैंने NCRT में नोट करा, and then I compiled the whole information so that I can revise it at the time of need when I gave tests. And for physical chemistry, I referred previous year questions, because they are actually going to show that क्या डिफ़िकल्टी नीट में पूछी जाती है. फिज़िकल केमिस्ट्री से इतनी ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट क्वेश्चन आते नहीं जितने बच्चे सॉल्व करते हैं. सो यू जस्ट नीड टू बी प्रैक्टिकल अबाउट दिस मैट टॉपिक. And one last thing I am going to say is that अकेले पढ़ना ही ज़रूरी नहीं है. आपकी कोई हॉबी हो तो उसे डेफिनेटली परस्यू करें. जैसे मैं सिंगिंग करता हूँ तो मैं बीच बीच में कैरियोके के साथ गा लेता हूँ, एंड दैट एक्चुअली हील्स माई माइंड. एंड one thing I'm going to stress is space management is important, because जब भी हम कोई क्वेश्चन करते हैं तो उस क्वेश्चन का हम ये ध्यान नहीं देते कि हम उस क्वेश्चन का कितना स्पेस ले रहे हैं. तो आप जब भी स्पेशली फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री में जब भी आप न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करें तो आप उसके लिए छोटे छोटे ब्लॉक्स बनाएं एंड मेक श्योर आप उन्हीं ब्लॉक्स में वो क्वेश्चन करें, बिकॉज स्पेस मैनेजमेंट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. थैंक यू.